Most people earn and save money, yet they often fail to significantly improve their financial situation. They work hard every day, but the results of their labor never meet their expectations. The main reason behind this state is the lack of proper guidance. Today's story is about someone who worked hard but couldn't succeed due to a lack of proper direction. So, watch the story till the end. Let's learn how, through proper financial management and guidance, you and I can all improve our financial situation. This story isn't just a motivation, it's a crucial lesson that will help you move forward on the path to success. So, watch the story till the end. Once upon a time, in a small, bustling town, lived a 27-year-old young man named Eamon. One afternoon, he sat by the roadside, deep in thought. Despite 5 years of hard work, his life hadn't changed. He couldn't significantly alter his financial situation. Eamon wondered if there was any way to escape his poverty. As he pondered, he walked past a grand palace. For some reason, he entered through the iron gate of the palace without permission, though he didn't know what awaited him inside. But this was about to give him an important lesson about money. From a distance, he saw an old man sitting on a garden bench with a cup of coffee in his hand. This man was Mr. Zahir, the owner of that palace. Besides being wealthy, he was a very humble and generous person. Eamon approached him and said, "Excuse me, Mr. Zahir, I've come in without permission. My life hasn't improved at all." Mr. Zahir recognized Eamon and was a little surprised by his sudden appearance. However, he welcomed him with a smile and asked about his concerns. Eamon sat beside him and said, "Sir, I've been working hard for 5 years, earning a decent income, yet my life hasn't improved. I don't spend money unnecessarily, yet I can't get ahead. Do you have any advice that can help me improve?" Mr. Zahir replied with a smile, "Eamon, anyone can prosper, and so can you." He continued, "I will tell you 5 important lessons about money that aren't even taught in our schools. If you truly grasp them, I assure you, you will move forward on the path to success." Eamon began to listen attentively as Mr. Zahir started sharing his invaluable wisdom. Lesson 1. Keep your expenses less than your income. This is the most basic rule. While it sounds simple, it's often difficult to follow. If you don't master this rule, it will be hard to start the other steps. For example, if your monthly income is 5,000 teteka, save at least 2,000 teteka. If it's 3,000, save 1,000 teteka. Refrain from expenses that exceed your income. If you don't follow this rule, you'll soon be stuck in debt and might even go bankrupt. Eamon nodded attentively, as if he was deeply understanding every word. Mr. Zahir took a sip of his coffee and continued. Lesson 2. Set aside some money for emergencies. Life is uncertain. Situations like car repairs, an accident involving a loved one, or losing your job can arise at any time. If you don't set aside money for such emergencies, you might be forced to take out a loan or sell your assets at a loss. View this as your protective shield that safeguards your finances during unexpected events. Eamon felt the depth of this perspective and pledged to adopt this crucial principle. Lesson 3. Learn to invest. People like you might hesitate to invest in businesses or stocks, perhaps due to a lack of knowledge or perceived risk. At this time, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Eamon eagerly asked, "How, sir?" Mr. Zahir explained that whatever skill you possess, be it carpentry, plumbing, or any other skill, dedicate more time to it. If necessary, spend your time, energy, and money to acquire that skill. Find out where your employer buys materials or how they promote their business. Use some of your savings to improve your skills. If needed, take courses, buy tools, or read books. These words instilled new motivation in Eamon. He felt that he could now prepare himself anew if he wished. Lesson 4. Now that you've gained skills in your work, try to earn more. For instance, you can start your own business, which will increase your income. You will no longer be paid on a monthly basis. Instead, you will now earn based on your competence and hard work. The more you work, the more you will earn. Eamon understood this and began to think about becoming self-reliant. He was now even more eager to learn the final principle. Lesson 5. Create passive income sources. Once you adopt the first 4 principles, you will have excess money. Now put your money to work. You can invest in property, start a shop rental business, or think about other sources of passive income. Make decisions carefully and choose wisely. So, Eamon, are you ready to embrace these lessons? Mr. Zahir asked with a smile. Before, I just went to work, saved a little, and hoped to get rich. Eamon replied with an enthusiastic expression. But now I understand the real strategy. I am grateful to you for this invaluable guidance. From today's story, we have learned a lot about the importance of financial management and the impact of proper guidance in life. The immense importance of patience, planning, and correct decisions on the path to success has become even more clear today. Try applying these lessons in your life. You will definitely see a change. If you want to learn more about how you can easily put your money to work and create new income sources through passive income, then watch our video now. Lessons learned through stories are remembered for a long time. So stay with us for new stories and valuable lessons. And if possible, share the story and leave a kind comment. Thank you.